and welcome to Gear Up with Greggs. Greggs is a 100% Canadian owned and operated company. I'm Angela, and today we're going to be talking about First Alert smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide detectors. Did you know that the most deadly fires happen during the night while people are sleeping? A working smoke detector will detect smoke or fire, alerting your family to the danger and allowing time to get to safety. Smoke alarms should be installed in each sleeping area, hallway, and living area within the house. Some minor smoke alarm maintenance is necessary to keep alarms in full working order. Firstly, it's important to test alarms regularly. To test your alarm, simply press the Test Silence button on the alarm. It's recommended that this is done monthly. Secondly, smoke detectors can collect dust, which can make them less effective. All detectors should be gently vacuumed with a soft brush every 6 months. And of course, be sure to test them once you're finished cleaning to ensure it's all in working order. Thirdly, smoke detector batteries will wear out over time and should be changed at least once a year. All battery-operated smoke detectors are required to emit a warning sound when the batteries are running low, usually an intermittent chirp that will indicate that the battery should be replaced. When the warning chirp sounds, replace the batteries immediately. A good reminder is to change your batteries when you change your clocks each spring and fall. And lastly, smoke alarms themselves do wear out. So once it approaches about 10 years old, you'll want to replace it with a new one. Make sure to always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing, testing, and maintaining your smoke alarms. There are two different types of detectors to choose from: ionization sensors and photoelectric sensors. An ionization sensor responds first to fast flaming fires. A flaming fire devours combustibles extremely fast, spreads rapidly, and generates considerable heat with little smoke. Ionization models are best suited for rooms which contain highly combustible materials such as cooking fat or grease, flammable liquids, newspapers, paint, or cleaning solutions. Photoelectric sensors respond first to slow, smoldering fires. A smoldering fire generates large amounts of thick, black smoke with little heat and may smolder for hours before bursting into flames. Photoelectric models are best suited for living room, bedrooms, and kitchens, as these rooms often contain large pieces of furniture which will burn slowly and create more smoldering smoke than flames. Photoelectric smoke alarms are also less prone to nuisance alarms in the kitchen area than ionization smoke alarms. Greggs Distributors carries a variety of battery-powered smoke alarms which run on either AA or 9-volt batteries and come in a few different options. We have two ionization smoke alarms, one that features an escape light and one that does not, as well as a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector which uses photoelectric sensing technology. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can cause accidental poisoning or even death if not quickly detected. Having a working carbon monoxide alarm installed in your home isn't just an important safety precaution, in some areas, it's the law. Carbon monoxide detectors are especially important if your garage is attached to your home, as exhaust fumes from your vehicle can contain carbon monoxide and can be very dangerous. A working carbon monoxide alarm will sound when the gas reaches an elevated level, alerting you and your family to the danger. Electrochemical sensors are highly sensitive and are the most accurate at reading carbon monoxide levels. These sensors create a chemical reaction with the carbon monoxide gas, creating an electrical current that sounds the alarm. All First Alert carbon monoxide alarms are equipped with this type of sensor. At Greggs, we offer a few different carbon monoxide alarms from First Alert. The 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide detector is equipped with both the electrochemical sensor for accurate detection of carbon monoxide and a photoelectric smoke sensor for detection of smoke and fire. Greggs carries a few other models of carbon monoxide detectors. A standard 120-volt AC plug-in model, which requires no additional mounting. A battery-powered model, as well as a plug-in model with battery backup and digital display. Carbon monoxide detectors should be replaced every 5 years for maximum protection. One other thing to keep in mind is an escape route in the event of an emergency. When moving into a new home, you should plan an escape route with your family. Be sure to plan for a way out from any second-floor bedroom and include a meeting place outside of the building. One way to get out of a second-floor bedroom is an escape ladder. Greggs carries this 14-foot ladder, manufactured by First Alert. It's perfect for use in 2-story homes and apartment buildings. It comes fully assembled and is made of strong steel construction, tested to 1,125 pounds, featuring slip-resistant rungs, rung stabilizers, and nylon strapping. This escape ladder will help you get to safety from a second-floor window in the event of a fire. Well, that's it for today. If you'd like to learn more about any of the products discussed in this video, feel free to check out our website or come into any of our locations across Western Canada. Thanks again for supporting a 100% Canadian company. We'll see you next time on Gear Up with Greggs.